How to buy from Amazon. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to buy from Amazon. Let's do it. So this is Amazon as you see, and this is the homepage. I will search for a product. I don't know, maybe I need a lighter or a lighter. And for example, I like this one. I will click add to cart. When I click add to cart, it will go directly to my cart list here. So right now I choose the quantity, for example I wanted 2, and I will click on it. So right now this is the pictures, and scroll it down, click buy now. When you click buy now, you have to click or to add a delivery address or find pickup location near from you. So here I choose find pickup location near from you. And right now I will, for example, choose my country and something near from me. For example, this location. Click pick up here. And right now I have to add a payment method. You can finish, you can add this step just alone yourself. And that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.